Children, today we are going to start a new topic, seasons, isn't it? So let's start. Season means the air around us is sometimes hot and sometimes cold. When it is hot, we say that day is hot, and when it is cold, we say the day is cold. When we say the day is hot or cold, we are talking about weather. Okay, let's start then. We have sunny days, windy days, cloudy days, rainy days or cold days. These are the pictures: sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, cold. Okay. Why do we have such different days? Our earth is surrounded by air like this. The different conditions of air bring different kinds of days. Just now I told you, no? When the air is hot, cold, we say weather. So the condition of air is called weather. And when a particular type of weather remains for a long time, it is called season, ritu. Okay, in Hindi it is ritu, mausam. We have mainly 3 seasons in India. So mainly 3 main seasons are summer, rainy and winter. Summer falls from April, May, June and July also. Rainy June to September. Winter December to February. 2 more seasons are there, autumn and spring. Autumn October and November, spring March to mid-April. But mainly there are 3 main seasons: summer, rainy and winter. So let us read. In summer season, in summer the days are hot. We put on light and loose clothes. We like to have ice cream and cold drinks. So during summer it is very hot, so we like to have some ice cream and cold drinks. But children, ice cream and cold drinks are what we call junk food, so we should not take it much. We should always avoid taking this ice cream and cold drinks. Okay. And in summer we can keep ourselves cool by wearing loose white cotton clothes. We use fan, cooler, air condition, and we like to have some mangoes, watermelon. Okay. Now these are the picture. Now come to rainy season. In the rainy season we put on a raincoat, use an umbrella and gumboots. What happen in rainy season? There are dark clouds appear in the sky and there is lightning and thunder. बिजली और एकदम कड़कती है. Okay, then it rains. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the sky. We carry umbrellas, isn't it? And what happens? Our farmers also wait for the rainy season. जो किसान है बारिश का इंतजार करते हैं, because crops need rain water to grow, isn't it? Now next come to winter season. In winter we put on heavy woolen clothes. We like to take hot drinks. In summer, okay, so this is about the winter. In winter what happen? There is so much cold, so we like to wear woolen clothes. And generally from December to February of every year winter falls, and during this season the days are short, isn't it? In winters days are short and nights are long, and cold wind blows during this month, and we wear woolen clothes like sweater, coats to keep ourselves warm. And we enjoy what? Hot drinks, isn't it? And we like to sit inside, sit in the sun. Some people use heater or light small fires to keep themselves warm. All these things we do in winter. Okay. In summer, when the days are hot, we do not like to go out. We play indoor games, read story books and draw pictures. On rainy days, we make paper boats and float them in the rainwater. In winter, we like to play outdoor games. We like to go for a picnic. Sometimes we go to zoo. Now what things we have learned after reading the chapter? All days are not the same. Some are sunny or windy or rainy or cold. Our earth is surrounded by air. Different conditions of air bring different kinds of days. Weather is a condition of air. A particular weather for a long time is called a season. There are mainly 3 seasons in India: summer, rainy and winter. We put on different types of clothes in different seasons. we have different kinds of food in different seasons. So different kinds of food we get in different seasons. Suppose during summer season we get mangoes, isn't it? And during winter we get oranges. We play different games in different seasons. Okay, now children, we have discussed these three seasons: summer, rainy and winter. Now we will discuss autumn. Autumn season during look here, I will take one book and I will explain you from that one. Okay, so autumn means during the month of October and November the weather is neither hot nor cold. The trees shed their leaves and this is the autumn season. So autumn season falls on which month? October and November. Then one more season is that. What is that season? That season is called spring season. So this is spring season. From March to mid-April the weather is neither cold nor hot. Plants are full of flowers, trees have new leaves. This is the spring season. The weather affects us in many ways. It affects the food we eat, the clothes we wear and everyday things we do. Okay, this is the picture spring season. Thus the weather affects our lives in many ways. Now let us do some exercise. What is weather? The condition of air is called weather. Name three seasons: summer, rainy, winter. In which season do we need blankets and quilts? We need blankets and quilts during winter season. What things do you want to eat and drink during summer? We like to have sugarcane juice, coconut water, lassi, watermelon, lemon juice during summer. What games do you want to play during winter? In winter we like to play outdoor games. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Number 1, our earth is surrounded by air. People go to hill stations in summer. We make paper boats during rainy season. We see a rainbow in the rainy season. A particular weather for a long time is called season. Now guess. Can you guess the season? Number 1, you use fan, coolers and air conditioners. In which season you use fan, coolers? It's I am summer season. Now you like an umbrella, you float paper boats. So this is I am rainy season. You enjoy outing, you put on woolen clothes. I am winter. Match the following. Here snow is there, that means the winter. Rain, drops of rain, rainy season. Sun is shining brightly, summer season. Now draw a picture of the season you like the most. Here you will draw the picture of the season which you like the most and you use the beautiful color also. Okay children.